Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to number rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Well, this video is going to be very simple as I am going to show you ways on how to number rows easily for your data. The first step would be using the autofill function of Microsoft Excel. All we have to do is create a series for our numbers. Let's put 1 and 2 for the first and second rows in our Excel. Just remember to give it proper formatting first. Adjust the size and adjust the alignment. Now, since we have 1 and 2, once we select both of those cells and drag them down towards the bottom of the list, it should be able to show the numbers in an orderly manner from 1 to 20. Let's undo that for a bit. Let's say we don't want to drag it. Well, there's another way. Since Excel is pretty smart in its 2023 iteration, we are able to just double-click the green box on the lower right portion instead. Once we do so, the numbers would automatically show up. Well, another way is to do this. To make a manual formula, just select the cell on top and add 1. Once we do so, by dragging it down, we also produce the same results, but this time we're using a formula. Well, what if there's a blank space within our data? Let's remove the values within this row. And let's try to repeat what we did by double-clicking the lower right portion of our series. As you can see, it stops on number 11. This is because there is no data over here and Excel treats it as the end of our data. Now, just make sure next time that you have your data filled up in order for you to autofill every value within your data. And there we have it. This is how we number rows in Microsoft Excel.